My next new technology is Remind. I chose Remind because it's a way that I can communicate messages to my students' parents. I can send them emails, or it can even text their phone numbers. I have a lot of parents who don't check their email. They'll give me their email address and then tell me they never check it. So this would ensure that they're seeing my messages. Sometimes they're important, like picture day or library, and I have parents that tell me they didn't get any notifications, and that's because they didn't check their email. So this would be a way that I could establish ongoing communication with my students' parents, and I'd be able to send them those quick reminders about things such as library or an upcoming field trip or a field trip note being due, things like that. My students' parents would be my intended audience here. This could also be something that teachers who teach older grades could use with their students about upcoming due dates for assignments. I think that'd be an awesome way to communicate with students. But since I teach kindergartners, I would use this more to communicate with their parents. And I've listed my 2 standards here. So here is my class page that I've created on Remind. This is what the teacher would see. Here I could choose to send an announcement or a notification to everyone, or I could select a specific student's parent that I want to communicate with. I can also see if I have any messages from students' parents here and communicate back with them. So here I could send a message that would go to all of the parents on my list, so all of the students' parents in my class. This would either go to their email or it could be texted to their phone, which is what I would prefer to ensure that all of the parents are seeing the communication. One of the great things about Remind is that you can schedule for the notifications to be sent out. So I could set notifications to be sent the night before we have library every other week, for example. One of the biggest things that I have trouble with parents is remembering to send students library books, even though our students are taught to keep their library books in their backpacks at all times. So this would be a great way to help minimize the traumatic realization the morning of library that a student doesn't have their books in their backpack. I think Remind would just be a great way to have that ongoing communication with just little notes about things happening during the school day with parents. And again, if I taught an older grade, or even if I taught like high school, I think it would be an awesome way to communicate due dates with students and for them to ask questions about assignments. So that is Remind. And I apologize for any shouting you hear in the background. The girls I nanny are having a lot of fun recording a song in the basement.